Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen in PC. First, ensure your Zen device is connected to your computer via the micro USB cable. Next, navigate to the official website and download the Zen Studio software. This essential application allows you to manage your device. Once installed, launch Zen Studio and proceed to update your Zen's firmware to the latest version. This crucial step ensures compatibility and unlocks all the newest features, providing you with the best possible experience right from the start. Once Zen Studio is running, head over to the Device tab. Here, you can fine-tune various settings to match your specific gaming setup. It's important to select the correct input and output protocols, whether you're using a PlayStation, Xbox, or PC controller. After configuring your device, move to the Programmer tab. This is where you can drag and drop game packs or custom scripts directly onto your Zen, preparing it for action with your favorite titles. With your Zen configured, connect your primary controller to the A1 port on the device. Your PC should now recognize the Zen as a standard controller, allowing seamless integration. Remember to check your in-game settings. Sometimes, disabling certain assists can enhance the effectiveness of your Zen scripts. Experiment with different sensitivities and dead zones to find the perfect balance. This setup ensures your scripts work harmoniously with your game, giving you precise control. For advanced users, the device monitor in Zen Studio is an invaluable tool for debugging and fine-tuning your scripts. If you encounter any issues, this monitor provides real-time feedback. Don't hesitate to explore the extensive GPC library for custom script ideas or to learn how to create your own. Finally, always keep an eye out for software and firmware updates. These often include performance enhancements, bug fixes, and exciting new features to keep your Zen experience top-notch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.